Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you an easy meal. Noodle with pork. It's easy and yummy. Let's start marinate pork with some ingredients. Pepper powder, soy sauce, sesame seeds, sesame oil, sweet milk, oyster sauce, and start mix all ingredients together and marinate about 15 minutes. If you want to see how I make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you. Garlic. Garlic is a popular ingredient in Joy for both its unique flavors and powerful health benefits. However, garlic is usually sautéed, roasted, or baked before being added to recipes. Spring onion. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.